Hello, my name is Daniel Baldwin, and this is my presentation on the 1923 Kanto Earthquake. On September 1st, 1923, a 7.9 magnitude earthquake rocked the Kanto region of Japan. This area consists of Tokyo, the capital of Japan, as well as other largely populated areas such as Yokohama. This earthquake occurred between the Philippine Plate and the Okhotsk Plate. The Philippine Plate of which is in a subduction zone that goes underneath the Okhotsk Plate. And because of this, there's a large earthquake, and there's also plenty of volcanoes around the main island of Japan because of the subduction zone. The human impact from this earthquake was massive. There were over 105,000 deaths, with some estimates in the 140,000s. Tokyo, as you can see from these pictures, was completely flattened with barely any buildings left over. Over 1 million people were left homeless, and ethnic Koreans were targeted and killed after the earthquake because there were conspiracies going around saying that they were looting and committing arson around the affected areas. This resulted in at least 235 deaths of Koreans, with some estimates in the 6,000 to 10,000s. There is also a great environmental impact from this earthquake. The seafloor in Sagami Bay, where the earthquake occurred, was split almost. There is a visible change in the seafloor there. There is also a large tsunami that occurred after that hit mainland Japan and spread out into the Pacific Ocean. And another thing that I found especially interesting was the fact that ocean currents in the Pacific Ocean got messed up. This led to navigational errors in U.S. naval ships, which resulted in 7 U.S. Navy ships running aground, with over 23 people dying as a result. Soon after the earthquake was over, the Japanese government introduced new legislation specifically mentioning how the foundations of buildings had to be built to be able to withstand earthquakes in the future. And this wasn't exactly a governmental change, but people decided to start building their houses out of stronger materials than wood, as Tokyo was a largely wooden city at the time. So the people of Japan started building their buildings out of stone, metals, stronger substances that would be able to withstand an earthquake better. Here's my works cited, and thanks for watching.